It's Smorgy. Yeah, it's all about the people. As you can see, I'm Smorgy. Feel pretty stupid for saying that, but I'm also an emo kid. People think my real name is Lancelot. But no, it's not. My real name starts with J. Look at that with this story. I hope that I'm gonna add something else. As you can see, they call this the Nut Puncher. Oh my god! Ah!
Hello guys, I'm feeling pretty sick. I'm not coming out in this video, but it's cool.
Just like this on steak, oh my god. Woo! It's not good. As you can see, I'm gonna throw a ninja start at the camera. So, if I miss, I'm sorry.
He has bad aim.
That's my friend. Yawning and they're making me yawn.
Yawning is contagious. Miss. You missed.
Ew. Shut up.
Ah, you hit me.
Well, that's what happens when you get in the way.
I'm not even in the way. Oh, thanks.
Dude, where's my ninja star?
Dude, there's like a green dot outside. There.
That's not a green dot.
It's a green dot.
Dude.
It's a light.
Oh, that's scary.
I know.
There's that black thing right there. You see it?
Yeah. That's like a 9 of a robot. It's looking at us. Anyway, it's 3. What time is it? Wait,
5 a.m.
no, 3. It's 3. We've been up the whole night. It's 3. We're making a lot of noise, waking up neighbors. Ah!
Dang it, I almost got it.
So, there goes him.
Trying to hit the camera.
You're fair.
Oh, what the hell? I almost got it.
It's like this. I hit it.
Let me see. Smorgy, this is a short video on the release side. Smorgy tired.
It's not even short. It was just retarded. But, yeah.
You wanna beat me up?
No, it's cool.
There's something to do with me.
Not really.
What if I do this?
Oh no. Oh, peace out. I need to call the hospital. Bye.